I'm Joan. I am coming into the camper to check out Jerry's handiwork in the kitchen. He has been working on this for a couple of months now, and we have taken an area that was counter all the way over and around, and he has cut this part of it out, giving us a lot more storage space here in the cabinets. If you remember, you had to walk all the way around here, and this counter was at an angle and went up to the cabinets, whereas now it is square. I've got so much more workspace to do cooking, baking, that type of stuff, and I can walk all the way around back into the kitchen. This gives me access to this cabinet where I was having to walk around to open one side and get what I needed out, or either go back around and open the other side. It was hard to reach over to get things from in the kitchen. He has moved the drawers into where the L was and given me so much more room to pull them all the way out. He added an additional cabinet that would just take care of our paper items, our paper towels and things like that. What I'm most excited about is this deep sink that he put in, and it gives me so much more room to wash my big pots and pans and be done with it. I love the countertop. It's a little bit different than this one over here. However, it really enhances the kitchen and makes it all come together and blend. Well, I'm getting so excited about setting this kitchen up for us to go back out on the road. I've got food to bring in and dishes to rearrange, and why am I so excited? Because I love RV life.